In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to deserialize JSON data. It's going to be in C#, and it's going to be Windows form. Obviously, you can do this in a console as well, but I'm just going to show it to you in form. So first thing you want to do, obviously, is set it up. You can have like 2 buttons, 1 button. I'm having 2 buttons because I'm going to show you what it actually looks like versus what it doesn't. And the JSON data I will be using is on this site right here, keyauth.win/stats.php, and I'm basically going to just get all of this data and export it, just showing actually what I want without the brackets and parentheses and everything. To get started, you can just double click on your form, or just go into code, and anywhere that you want, really, we're just going to make a new static string, and you can name the string whatever you want to. I'm just going to name it info. Once you have your static string, we're just going to make a few things. First thing is going to be a string, and again, you can name the string whatever. Since I'm getting stats, basically, I'm just going to do stats, and you're going to make this string equal nothing. And then we're going to have a try and a catch statement. I can spell catch. And for the try, we're going to make a variable. Same thing, name it whatever. I'm going to name this request, and it's going to be a new HTTP request. And before we actually go more into this, you actually want to make sure that you have leaf.x.net. So if you come up here to project, come down here to manage NuGet packages, click on browse, and then type in leaf.xnet. And then it will be this first one right here. Click on install. I already have it installed, so we're fine. And then you also want to make sure that you have newtonsoft.json. So just do the same thing. Project NuGet packages, and then put newtonsoft.json in there and download the first one. Okay, and now that we have that, after your var request, we are going to make another var, and it's going to basically just be get request, and this is going to equal whatever this name is up here is going to be here dot get, and then this is where we're going to put our URL. So we can come over here, copy the URL, go ahead and paste it in here, and underneath we're going to make a string. I'll name it rec string, I guess, and then equals whatever this name is. So get rec dot to string, and this is basically all you would need to show the JSON data. So like how it is. So you can actually just go ahead and copy this. Well, you don't have to, but since I'm showing you the JSON data too, I'm going to, so I'm just going to copy that and throw this in here. If you actually want to deserialize it, then you don't have to do this step. So now going back to the code, right after this, we're going to make a dynamic, and I'm just going to name this gathered, then equals JSON convert dot deserialize object, and we will be deserializing the string right here. And then we're going to do, well, I'm going to do stats, whatever this string name is, you put here. So stats plus equal. And then, let me see, I want to get the accounts. So I'm just going to do accounts. And then I'm going to do plus gathered. And then whatever this is, so it's all lowercase, you got to make sure if it's uppercase, it's case sensitive. So accounts. And then after, we're going to just do return stats. And then inside the catch, we're going to do a return. And then we can just do, I don't know, error. And actually, for the catch, it's going to be a HTTP, exception. And what is name? EX for exception. And then just do that. So that's just how they get the stats. Obviously, I'll show you it all. So applications, licenses, and uptime. So I'm just going to copy this line, paste it, applications, and then licenses, and then uptime. Pretty simple. So now you can actually go to your button that you want to use to deserialize the data. And we're going to do string. We'll just do show data. And it's going to be equal to the static string up here. So whatever this name is. So in this case, it's info. And then we're just going to do message box.show data. Then I also need a message box here. Again, if you didn't do just showing like the regular JSON, then you don't have to do this step. But since I am showing you, then I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so now that that's all set, come over here and click on start. Let it load. And so now if I show you the regular data that is from the website, here you go, accounts, applications, all that. And then if I click on the deserialization button, here you go, accounts, applications, licenses, uptime. So I mean, it's really, really simple to set up. There really isn't much to it. Now obviously you can always do more in here. So like if you wanted to, you can do like plus, and then it will make it like a new line for you. So it's not all cluttered. I'll just show you really quick, just in case you don't know what I mean. So if I go ahead and run it again, and then click on the deserialization, and then here it lists it better instead of being horizontal. But yeah, again, it's really simple to set up. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll get back to you when I can. If you have any other thing that you would like to know how to set up, just comment down below as well. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.